When installing a low voltage single or double gang ring in existing construction, the objective is to get it plumb, level, and at the same height as nearby existing plates. It should also provide for easy manipulation of wires or devices that will be put into the ring later on, which can be a tight fit if a closed box is used. While there are all kinds of plastic and tin retrofit rings on the market, there's no comparison for the standard old-fashioned metal plaster ring that fits on all kinds of electrical boxes. Price-wise, they can be within a few cents of one another all the way up to $1 or more, with the metal plaster ring often being less expensive, but regardless of the cost, the metal plaster ring is better. Here's an efficient and professional method to install a metal plaster ring in existing construction with the least amount of damage to wallpaper or painted walls. Use a template made to fit the metal plaster ring. This one is made from a scrap lid from a Rubbermaid tub. It's thick, flat, and durable. The V-cut here lines up with the top screw of an electrical box. The vertically centered V lines up when there is a center screw on a cover plate. This assures that when horizontal lines using a level are extended from the nearby box or plate, the one to be installed will be exactly the same height and will be plumb and level. To install the plaster ring, mark the hole to be cut with a template. Now punch an exploratory hole with a screwdriver and use a stiff wire bent at about 90 degrees to check the radius inside the wall for any obstructions, like studs, pipes, venting, or wires. Then use a handheld drywall knife to make 4 starter holes that will be cut in both directions. Making the holes before you cut the entire block out keeps the drywall from breaking after 3 sides have been cut. A handheld saw instead of a power one is suggested to lessen the chance of damaging anything that might be inside the wall that you did not find on your initial wire inspection. Next, fit the plaster ring, leaving a bit of room for horizontal and vertical play. It'll be fine-tuned later. Now apply some silicone to the sides of the plate. It'll glue it permanently when pulled back against the surface inside the wall. Install the plate and slightly snug the screws, sandwiching the wall between the plaster ring and the outer plate. Plumb and level the plate, and then snug the screws. In 24 hours, the plaster ring will be set perfectly plumb and level forever.